Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a search bar on your Squarespace website. So for this, we need Squarespace, and I'm going to be using elfsight, so elfsight.com to do this. So you want to go to elfsight, click on widgets right there. Next up, click on the search bar, and then search for search. It sounds complicated, but you want to search for search. Then click on the search widget right there. And then click on create widget, top right corner. That will send you over to this page where you can find a few different templates. Click on those and then select the one you like the most. I'm going to go with this one. Next up, click on continue with this template, and you then want to paste in your Google search engine ID or your Google API key so that you can actually use that on your website. You can then also customize the field, the results, so you can use pop-up or you can use, let's see, a full screen, but this is totally up to you guys. It depends on what kind of website you have and to your personal preferences as well. But once you're done setting this up, you want to scroll down and click on join to install and then sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. This will then send you over to this page, and they should actually send you back right away so that you can save it. Click save at the top right corner, and then next up, click on add to website right there. Before that, you want to make sure to choose a plan so that you can actually use this website. I'm going to go with the free one for now, but you can also go with the pay plans and you will get access to a lot of different widgets on this website. But for now, you want to click on copy. Next up, go to your Squarespace website and click on the plus icon right there. So make sure you're in edit mode and then click on add blank. Just like that. Next up, you want to click right there, click on code, and then paste that code in there. Click apply, and then click done. Click on save, and let's see. Right there, you now have the search bar. You want to make sure to place it wherever you want it to be, but that's how you can do this. So if this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.